What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today we're gonna be watching our weekly dose of driving fails. And before we start, I want to tell you something real quick. I noticed that some of you guys are telling me in the comments welcome back and stuff like that, and I know how to spit some rhymes apparently, and that led me to believe that some of you guys don't get notified every time I upload a new video. So, well, I'm talking about this like it's something new, but it isn't actually. So just to let you know, I upload videos every week, mostly on Thursdays. And now, with that said, buckle up, it's showtime. Oh, roundabout, this is very promising, people. Whoa! What? And now play the coffin dance music. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I thought someone was gonna just... Whoa! What the hell? God damn, BMW, what was that? And where was I? I thought someone's gonna just, you know, cut across that circle in the middle, but he launched himself into space. God damn. Whoa, oh my god, it's a Prius. That wasn't a, what would you call, environment friendly maneuver, but never mind. Whoa! Welcome to Sweden, everyone, for the first time on this channel. And that cop is like, I'm not in rush, he's not getting anywhere. Right, let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, man. In these kind of situations, it's really hard to predict where the guy is gonna go, but luckily the dashcam guy saved himself, but unfortunately we cannot say that for the guy behind. Oops, there goes the door. And it was 50-50 situation, you know, 50% luck, 50% skill. And here, as you can see, we have a genius who thinks waiting is for peasants and ramps are for losers. And he's got a mask on his face, not very effective if you get hit by a train though, just saying. And let's see. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god, I cannot believe what he just did. So stupid. But it's okay, he's wearing a mask. Shame there ain't no mask for stupidity, you know what I mean? He would need 1,000 of them to spare the world from his genius. And now, ladies and gents, I want to show you a picture. This happened in Serbia, aka my country on this channel, and not Siberia, Serbia, Europe. A lot of people can't tell the difference, so I hope I made it clear now. And as you can see, those two guys were the only ones on the road, and somehow they managed to crash into each other. I think there's no need for further explanation, so we're gonna move on now. Oh, he's creeping on us. No, no, get away, get away. Oh, that was a small bump. Whoa, it wasn't as small as I thought. Whoa, god damn, this guy is crazy. He went berserk. What the hell is wrong with him? Alright, let's see what do we have here. Whoa, easy boy. What the hell? What the hell is that sound?
What is it doing?
Do they have monkeys in the car or something? That was very strange. Oh, bad news bears. A Mustang. This is gonna be interesting. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't see a damn thing. I need to check this video again later to see what's going on. I don't think the Mustang is at fault here. I think that pickup truck lost control. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check again later. So, right. We have a sunny sky. An open road. What do we need more? One thing's for sure, we don't need a big ass crash in the middle of a road. Whoa, he rear-ended the crap out of him. That was a hard hit. No, that guy's like, watch and learn, kiddo. I'm gonna show you how to ride like a boss. Oh crap, damn, oh shit, oh. What are you looking at? Class dismissed. He's so done. I wish I could see his face 2 seconds before the crash. He was like, damn! This is gonna hurt. Oh, I thought he was gonna make it. I was like, please, driving gods, guide him through the corner without crashing for once. And then everything went south. Whoa! And that, ladies and gentlemen, was how to drive a truck on 4, 6 or 10, I don't know how many wheels, I mean, who was counting. And I wonder what was in the truck. If it was eggs, now they're scrambled eggs. And I think the trucker got around this small issue by making the small changes to the shipment papers, and now everything is fine. Oh my god, I love making up these random conversations. And now it's question time. Let me know in the comments how many attempts did it take you to pass your driving test. I passed mine almost 6 years ago. Damn, time flies, but anyways. And I passed it on the second attempt, and as we all know, the best drivers fail the first time and then nail the second, so yeah. So let me know how many times did it take you to pass yours. Let's see here, a lovely night. Oh, why? I'm not defending that guy in a black car, but damn. The other guy didn't even try to avoid it. He was like, if I die, I die. What the hell was that? Was that a Lada ripping the handbrake? That's not gone well, has it? Oh my god, I hate people like that. I got it, I know. Sometimes you don't see someone and that's alright. But when someone is blowing their horn like crazy and you keep cutting them off and driving into them, that's the part I hate the most. That just proves you're an a-hole. Oh, no, he locked up. No. Oh, ouch. This could have been easily avoided only if he knew better. And all he had to do was just let go of the brakes and steer away normally, but instead he chose to lock up the brakes, and by doing that he lost steering, and then he became a passenger in his own car. So that explains pretty much everything. So let's move on to the next one. That black Ford is doing some dodgy business. What? Why? And they touch. What now? What did you achieve by doing that? Never mind him, let's go to the next one. Whoa. That was some scary, you know what? He was spinning like hell. And his name is John Cena. Man, what the hell was that all about? He was taking that corner way too fast. He thought he was in a race or something, I don't know. Oh, someone hit him! Oh! God damn, someone hit that silver car. Oh damn, that was ugly. And then the rest is history. You saw everything. Alright, what do we have here? Oh wait, what the hell? I thought that red car is gonna crash or something, but nope. She turned on her I stop wherever the hell I want lights, so it's alright. Oh, I spy with my little eye the cyclist who got, let's say, surprised. Oh, we have lots of stuff going on here. One is in the ditch now. Whoa. Damn. One just wasn't enough, was it, huh? One hit him and then the other guy finished him off. Great stuff. Oh, this looks like a death trap. Oh, reverse entry 180, 360. Bam! Kenny from the Russian block. Yeah, boys. Oh, I wonder if you know how they live in... Ah. This is so disappointing. We didn't expect anything at all, and still we are let down. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh dear me. Oh my god, he's blowing his horn. What should I do? Should I force my way in or should I stop? Oh, I think it's a great idea to force my way in. Oh, that was a Coca-Cola car. Now they need to pay me. Oh, whose lawnmower is this? Is that yours, bro? Oh, okay, never mind. Is it just me or he's going a little bit too fast? Oh, it's gravel, no. Oh, this is gonna end badly. Oh, damn, that escalated quickly. You gotta be careful. You gotta keep an eye on those gravel traps. And on that note, it's time to end. Thank you very much for watching the whole video, that helps a lot. I hope you enjoyed, of course. Please leave a like and a comment. I'm always having fun reading them. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, ciao.